Tradespoon.com. I'm a regular contributor on CNBC, Bloomberg, CBOE TV, and a contributor to Tradespoon. Basically, the best of both worlds is what I call it, whereas Tradespoon's come up with a very sophisticated stock algorithm to identify stock picks. What I came in and did was have an option algorithm to identify the best option play given the stock selection. So as I refer to it, the best of both worlds. So each day you'll be getting a stock selection, a straight option pick, and an option spread pick, and you can choose any or all of those picks depending on your kind of risk-reward tolerance. So without further ado, we'll go to this week's pick of the week, which was on SAP. And as you can see, Tradespoon's been averaging about 28.5% return per trade. This week's pick was SAP. And taking a look at the chart here, you can see that the stock did break out above that 77.50 level post-earnings. As you can see, the earnings came out on October 22nd and backed off and held kind of that support level. When the stock did held support and backed up again, here is the actual recommendation where they came out and said to get long the stock on a very nice earnings report. Once the stock showed that it did, hold that support level, that they couldn't beat it down, came in and recommended either buying the stock at $78.97, going straight long the December 80 call at $2, or option spread, which was selling a out-of-the-money put credit spread, selling the 80 put, buying the 77.5, or in this case slightly in the money put spread, for looking for $1.20 net credit and really looking for that to expire off and keep that credit on the trade. And again, taking a look, going back on the chart, post-earnings, earnings were a big beat. The stock obviously enjoyed that, and then most importantly, when the stock did kind of back off and hold that level, that's where the signal came. You can see the momentum on the stock continues unabated, so up and away so far on the stock. We can take a look so far on how the three trades have gone so far. The stock, which was recommended at $78.97, closed today at $79.45, up nicely, up 60 basis points, which in a few days is not too bad a return. The actual option, that December 80 call, which was recommended at 2, closed midpoint at 215, so up about 7.5%. And for one of the few times the spread, because implied volatility did come down a little bit more sharply, which is a slight negative to the long option play but a benefit to the spread, recommended for that 120 net credit. It closed at 105, and using return on risk, it's up about 11.53%. So that was our pick of the week. And the nice thing about Tradespoon is you can go to the website and literally, sign up within about 10 seconds. You don't need to put your credit card down. You don't need to cancel anything. You can just sign up for the free trial. Literally takes about 10 to 15 seconds. So if you're looking to get some combined nice picks both on the stock and option front, recommend you go there. So until next week, this is Tim Bigham. Good trading.